forward. This was the other reason I bailed. Bitcoin was hitting resistance here, right? Remember? And you have to remember or be cognizant of or be aware of that the Coinbase chart is not the Bitcoin chart, but they definitely are interconnected. So there are times where Bitcoin will hit resistance and it will prevent Coinbase from moving up. On the flip side, there are times where Coinbase will hit resistance and it will stop Bitcoin trends, in my opinion. Mind you, this is not financial advice and this is a free stream. But Coinbase, let me walk you through this one because I've had 2 trades back to back on this that went really, really well. And I want to show you like how Rainbow Theory was used for this. So the first one was this capitulation paint. And I scalped this one along with a lot of the other Rainbow Trends Discord users, traders. We longed this, sold around here just in case it was a continuation of downward. I didn't fully understand the yen carry trade, so I was a bit more nervous about it. But I know paint when I see it, and this on lower time frames was beautiful. It gapped down, blew out RSI, blew out the colors, went into reversion bands, and we bought the pump, and it pumped up. The second one is a second leg down that printed lower on hotter RSI. You can see RSI get bled all the way to pink and then reverse, and the bottom was freaking in. Absolutely beautiful rainbow setup, and on something you normally don't see prints that nasty on, we got it on Coinbase. And it proceeded to pump twice, all the way up to the reversion bands. And you guys know me, when I long this side of the reversion bands deep in the paint, I always consider this band the home run. If I can touch that band, that's the dream trade. Now, I didn't get an entry down here that would have made this a ridiculous trade. I longed the support of the retesting of the pivots. I think I longed like here. I forgot what the exact number was, but I ended up getting 25% out of the trade. So I wanted to walk through because this one was like textbook. This gives you a rainbow bottom off RSI. We have the runner bot printing a bottom as well. We have an HMA cross. That's multi-confluence inside the reversion bands with white candles, color rotations. It's like every single thing I've got to tell you that the bottom is in on something, regardless of like news. It's telling you rainbow theory wise, that's a bottom. Wake up. And it popped up. I waited to see some support. We came back down. We almost tagged that pivot. We came down and I got my entry. Actually, that is where I did it, right there. I longed that pivot and I put a BS stop loss somewhere down here. I don't remember. It proceeded to have whale prints come rolling in. And it went all the way up and tagged the other side of that band. I really thought Bitcoin was looking really strong when we were here. And I thought we were going to get a continuation up into this band, the final order block, but we didn't get there. So I saw Binance start to roll over. I realized I kind of hit my home run here. I don't need to be greedy, and I cut when the color started rotating. So I was a little slow to cut, but I got out right before, like a half a day before it completely pulled back pretty hard. So calling it a win, I think I got like 8 or 10% here, and this one was like 25%. So not clout chasing, just showing you this is the example of like how this crazy stuff actually works. We long support. These are like, we often call these like the manifesto sweeps. He likes to see a test, a blowout below the test, that come up and then retest the old support, and that's exactly what happened here, and then it popped. He does it on lower time frames, but it also shows up on the higher time frames too. So shout out Manifesto. And now I'm just gonna wait. I got a 25% trade in the TradeFi market on spot. I'm very happy with that, and I'm just gonna chill. I don't need to FOMO this anymore. I need to wait for a nice, easy setup. This is not gonna be easy because I'm at such a high altitude. This could easily come back down. I don't want it to, and I don't think it will, but at the same time, we gotta just chill. Armstrong was like messaging AI bots this week, so I don't know. We'll see. Good luck to my buddies who are in applying for the job over there, because they would help with that type of communication. Anyway.